Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Insights Nexus. Today we are diving deep into the world of Amazon, a platform that has become synonymous with online shopping. If you are a brand looking to boost your visibility on Amazon, understanding how to optimize for branded search is crucial. So whether you are actively selling on Amazon or simply trying to protect your brand, there's a lot to unpack here. So let's get into the best practices that will help you dominate branded search on Amazon. But before we get into that, let's first try to answer the question, why branded search matters on Amazon? Well, when people search for your brand on Amazon, they're already halfway down the sales funnel. These are high intent shoppers who know what they are looking for. But here's the catch. Just because someone types your brand name into Amazon search bar does not mean your product will automatically be the first ones they see. Competitors can bid on your branded keywords, and if you are not careful, you could lose potential customer to other sellers. See, branded search on Amazon is not just about visibility. It's about controlling the narrative around your brand. You want to ensure that when customers search for your brand, they find your products, not your competitors. So let's explore how you can achieve this. So first step is indexing for branded search terms organically on Amazon. We'll come to paid later, but first talk about organically. See, before you can even think about ranking for branded search terms, you need to ensure that your products are indexed for these terms. Now, indexing means that Amazon recognizes your products as relevant to specific search terms and will display them in search results when those terms are used. So the question comes to our mind is, how do we do this? So there are various ways. First one is optimize your product listings. The first step to indexing for branded search term is to optimize your product listing. Now what does this include? This includes number one, product title. Make sure your brand name is prominently featured in your product titles. Amazon's algorithm heavily weighs the words in your title when deciding what your product should rank for. Second is bullet points and description. So always incorporate your brand name naturally into the bullet points and product description. Don't overdo it, but make sure it's clear that these products are part of your brand. Next is backend keywords. So utilize the backend keyword fields to include your brand name. Now this helps Amazon's algorithm understand that your brand name is relevant to your product. Second step is leverage brand registry. Some of you might not be aware of it. See, if you haven't already enrolled in Amazon's brand registry program, this not only gives you more control over your product listings, but also helps with indexing. Brand registry ensures that your brand name is correctly associated with your product across the platform. So here is a small pro tip for you. Use enhanced brand content EBC to add rich content to your product pages, further reinforcing your brand's identity and increasing the likelihood of indexing for branded terms. Now the third step is ranking for branded search terms on Amazon. So once you have indexed for branded search terms, the next step is to rank for them. So unlike Google, where SEO is driven by backlinks and content, Amazon's ranking factors are more straightforward but still competitive. So let's go through it one by one. Number one is focus on conversion rates. See, Amazon's algorithm A9 heavily prioritizes products that convert well. So if your product has a high conversion rate, it's more likely to rank higher for branded search terms. Here are a few ways to improve your conversion rate. Number one is use high quality images. Use clear, high resolution images that show your product from multiple angles. Images are one of the first things shoppers notice, and they play a significant role in conversions. So first one was images. Next is customer reviews. Always encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. A higher number of good reviews can significantly boost your conversion rate, leading to a better ranking. Next is competitive pricing. So make sure your product is competitively priced If shoppers find similar products for less, they are likely to choose the cheaper option. So here's a pro tip. Use A/B testing to experiment with different product titles, images, and bullet points to see what combination leads to the highest conversion rate. Next is second one is optimize sponsored product ads. See, a paid advertising is another way to rank higher for branded search terms. Sponsored product ads allow you to bid on keywords including your own branded terms. Now this can help you secure the top spot in search results, even if your organic ranking isn't quite there yet. Next is exact match keywords. So for branded search, use exact match keywords in your campaigns. This ensures that your ads only appear when somebody searches for your brand name, and thereby maximizing relevance and ROI. Next is negative keywords. This is very important. Use negative keywords to exclude irrelevant searches. For example, if you sell premium products, you might want to exclude terms like cheap or bargain. Monitor and adjust bids. So always keep an eye on your ad performance and adjust your bids accordingly. If you notice that a particular keyword is driving a lot of sales, consider increasing your bid to secure more visibility. Now, let's try to understand the role of branded search defense. And this is a very important thing for us. So, branded search defense is all about protecting your brand from competitors who might try to capitalize on your hard-earned reputation. Now, this is especially important on Amazon, where competitors can bid on your branded keywords and potentially steal your customers. So, what do? So, to protect your branded keywords, consider setting up a dedicated campaign for branded search terms. Now, this allows you to monitor performance closely and ensure that your brand is always visible. Bid aggressively. See, don't be afraid to bid aggressively on your own branded keywords. The cost per click might be higher, but the return on investment is usually worth it, given the high intent of shoppers searching for your brand. Then monitor competitor activity. Always keep an eye on competitors who are bidding on your branded keywords. If you notice increased competition, consider adjusting your bids or creating more targeted ads to maintain your visibility. So here is a small pro tip. Use Amazon's brand analytics tool to see which competitors are bidding on your branded keywords and adjust your strategy accordingly. See, one common concern with branded search defense is wasted spend, like paying for clicks from customers who would have found your product anyway. While this is a valid concern, the potential loss of sales to our competitors often outweigh the cost of defending your brand. But to minimize wasted spend, consider the following strategy, and I've tried these strategies myself and they work. First is segment your audience. If you're running ads across multiple platforms, segment your audience based on their purchasing behavior. For example, target high intent shoppers on Amazon and use other platforms for brand awareness campaign. Next is track ROI closely. So use Amazon's reporting tools to track the ROI of your branded search campaigns. If you notice that your ads are driving sales, it is likely worth the investment. If you're launching a new product on Amazon and already have branded search volume, you are in a great position. So here's how to make the most of it. First step should be, I would say, is pre-launch campaigns. So before your product goes live, build anticipation with pre-launch campaigns. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to create buzz around your new product. Now this can help drive branded search volume even before the product is available on Amazon. Second is leverage existing customers. Yes. Use your existing customer base to boost your new product's visibility. Offer exclusive discounts or early access to loyal customers and encourage them to leave reviews. Now this can help your new product rank for branded search terms from day one. Like always, here's a small pro tip. Run a small targeted ad campaign for your new product using your branded keywords. This can help ensure that your new product is the first thing shoppers see when they search for your brand. Even if you're not actively marketing on Amazon, having a brand defense strategy is essential. And here are a few reasons why. Number one is competitors can still bid on your keywords. Yeah, just because you're not running ads does not mean your competitors are not. If you're not bidding on your branded keywords, you're leaving the door open for competitors to steal your customers. Second is it helps maintain brand presence. Having a presence on Amazon, even if it's minimal, ensures that customers can find your products when they search for your brand. This is especially important if you are using other channels for marketing, as customers may turn to Amazon to purchase. Right? So here's a pro tip. Set up a basic product listing with optimized keywords and minimal advertising spend. This keeps your brand visible without a significant investment. See, optimizing for branded search on Amazon is more than just a good idea. It is essential for protecting your brand and boost visibility. By focusing on indexing, ranking, and defending your branded keywords, you can ensure that your products are front and center when customers search for your brand. So whether you are launching a new product or maintaining your presence, these best practices will help you stay ahead of the competition. Well, thanks for joining us today. We hope you found these insights valuable as you navigate the complexities of Amazon branded search. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe to Digital Insights Nexus for more tips and strategies to elevate your digital marketing game. See you in the next video.